Hello everyone, let us provide the solution for this logarithmic powered equation. So we have that find x, given that log x to base 2 raised to the power of log x to base 2 equal to 4. Now at this point, we have to recall the index law of logarithm, which states that if I have log m raised to the power of p in base n, this can be expressed as p multiplied by log m in base n. So therefore, the equation now becomes log x in base 2 multiplied by log x in base 2 equal to 4. Also recall that a times a is equal to a squared. So therefore, log x in base 2 times log x in base 2 is giving us log x in base 2 all squared equal to 4. Now at this point, let's take the root of both sides. So if we take the root of both sides, we have that root, and at this point, we also have the root of 4. And please add your plus or minus sign. So at this point, square will cancel out the root, so we have log x in base 2 equal to, and at the right hand side, the root 4 is giving us 2, so we have plus or minus 2. So therefore, we are considering a positive integer, so therefore this becomes log x in base 2 equal to 2. So from the relation between indices and logarithm, this can be expressed as x equal to 2 raised to the power of 2. Thus, the value of x is equal to 4. Now, let us check if x equal to 4 is correct. Recall that we have that log x in base 2 to the power of log x in base 2 is equal to 4. Now, since s is 4, this becomes log 4 in base 2 to the power of log 4 in base 2 equal to 4. So from the index law of logarithm, this becomes log 4 in base 2 to the power of log 2 to the power of 2, or in base 2, equal to 4. So you know that logarithm to each base is 1. So therefore, we have log 4 in base 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by log 2 to base 2 equal to 4. Now, logarithm to each base is 1, so this is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Thus, we have log 4 to the power of 2, or in base 2, equal to 4. Also, to simplify this becomes log 2 raised to the power of 2 to the power of 2 in base 2 equal to 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. So we have that log 2 raised to the power of 4 to base 2 is equal to 4. And also from the power law of logarithm, this is giving us 4 multiplied by log 2 to base 2 equal to 4. And recall that logarithm to each base is 1, so therefore 4 times 1 is equal to 4. So 4 at this point is equal to 4. So therefore the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thus, x is equal to 4. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.